So let's reflect. What's been good in your life over the last few months or even a year? Think about the last 12 months. What's been going on? What's been really good? Now, when I do this exercise with people, when I'm coaching them, it's actually very difficult for them to think of all the good things, because often people want to change their lives, actually are not very contented with anything in their life. So I think this is a really important exercise to start with, to just sort of think about your life and think, so what's been good over the last few weeks, months or year? To do this exercise, there is a downloadable worksheet up above in the right hand corner. So please download the sheet, and then you can just have a look at it and write down some of the things that you think have been good over the last 12 months. If you don't have a printer or anything like that, then you can write notes again under the tab notes in this lecture, or you could just have a notepad and write your own notes about that. But what I'm looking for here, and I'm pushing you for this, is that I'd like you to come up with 10 things that are good in your life, or that have been good over the last few weeks, months or year. Okay, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.